Alright, now the first thing that you're going to want to do after your engine is clean is you're going to want to take your cylinders and you're going to want to hone them. This that I have is a honing stone. Basically, it'll drill up and down the cylinders and it'll hone out the edges of them. Basically, it just attaches to your drill like that, and um, when you're honing, you want to keep it moving, always moving. Don't stay in one spot. Keep it flowing back, from the top to the bottom. You never want to just sit in one spot and move it around a little bit and let it sit for another spot. You want to keep it moving the entire time. Don't let it sit. Um, you just don't. If you sit in one spot, it's just gonna wear unevenly. And the reason that you want to hone it is it basically just helps your rings seat. Basically, it helps them, seat on the cylinder walls better. There's quite a few other reasons too. Um, I think it may also possibly help with compression, but I'm not exactly sure about that. Anyways, those honing stones are relatively cheap. They're about $20 and $25, maybe 30, somewhere in there. Um, they're not professional like a machine shop would do. Um, they have all those expensive machines and stuff that'll do a much better job. But for something like this, it'll work well enough. Um, and also another thing that's really important is that you want to make sure that you keep it very lubricated. Personally, I use WD-40. It works just fine. Just spray it all around in the cylinder walls. Just make sure that you keep it moist, you keep it lubricated. Um, some people actually use regular engine oil, like I don't know, like 5W 30, whatever their engine takes, and they'll basically just drizzle it on the cylinder walls and hone it that way. And that's possible too. You guys can do that too. Personally, I just use WD-40. I think it's just easier to do it that way. Oh, I'll go ahead and show you guys now. Now, if you noticed, the cylinder that I just did, it had these really fine swirls, little edges, and that's good. That's what you want. And the other cylinder that I showed you, that's just an old one. It had kind of worn down. on the walls. So you want the one that I showed you, the one that I just did. I mean, the other one, it's not exactly bad, but it's not good though either. At least not for a rebuild.